Hey there mga my loves, Capricorn! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babes. So before we start your reading now for November 2024, batiin ko muna everyone. So yan no, hi and hello sa mga bagong subscribers. Ako po si Yan, welcome! At sa mga returning viewers, thank you po sa inyong walang sawang support and love for me. So kung hindi niyo pa po nalalaman, meron pa po tayong other channel. Link is nilagay ko sa description box ng reading na ito. Kaya naman kung interesado kayong tumambay dyan, meron din po tayong daily na ina-upload na collective readings. Ano man ang zodiac sign, welcome na. Panuorin, pakinggan no, ang lahat ng mga energy readings no, sa channel na yan at sa channel din na ito. No, kasi timeless naman po ang lahat ng mga energy or tarot readings, no? Basta piliin nyo lang yung mga mensahe. If you feel so connected and so drawn sa mga mensahe, then you can claim those messages. But if not, just leave the rest behind kasi baka yun naman ay for other viewers naman. So yeah, let's get into your reading right here, Capricorn. So wala po tayong gender mga babes, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. May cross-watchers dito ni Capricorn, welcome din, no? You can flip roles as well mga babes, and kung meron mang Capricorn placement sa kanilang natal or birth chart, welcome din kayo. Welcome everybody! So yun nga, no, Archangel Michael, maraming salamat. Together with the presence of angels and guides and ancestors of Capricorn. So can you please give me messages for Capricorn's November 2024 please? Mga mensahe para kay Capricorn sa buwan ng Nobyembre 2024. Can you please show me? Thank you so much for your presence every day. Messages for Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn's November 2024, please. Okay, let us see. Ano yung mga mensaheng nakapaloob sa inyo, Capri? So yan mga babes, no, you do have here Wheel of Fortune. Something's being repeated right here. We also have here this Eight of Cups energy, Seven of Coins, present din Magician card energy. Andito din for you, Cups, ang Judgment card. Yeah, Judgment to the Wheel of Fortune, strong indication that something will be repeated right here. Okay, but I'm gonna give you the message, no, maya-maya lang. Present din dito ang Four of Coins energy, World card, Nine of Cups right here. Bottom of the deck, the Hermit, the Ten of Wands, and the Five of Wands energy. Finally, a conflict with someone here ay malapit ng maging over. But I do pick up right here that you will not be the first one who will approach, no, dito sa taong ito. But this person here will be someone na gagawa ng first approach or first pag-reach out sa inyo. This could be anyone right here. Could be your ex, could be your old friend over here, or posible naman nakakilala mo, no? Nakita tayo dito ng sis, fire. So, nakita tayo dito ng energy ng forgiveness na maaring hingin sa'yo ng taong ito, no? May pagpapakumbaba sa kanyang energy, kaya makakaasa kayo na this person sa kanyang paglapit ay seryoso talaga siya ditong humingi ng tawad sa'yo, no? I'm seeing right here, ceasefire, lalo na strong energy nito, kakilala mo to. Pero yung iba siguro, may mangilan-ngilan ng mga viewers na ex nyo yan. Pero marami-rami yung parang kakilala nyo siya, tapos posibleng close kayo, but posibleng kayo ay nag-away noon, no? Kaya may kinakailangan dito ng pag-forgiveness, may pagpapakumbaba, no? But I'm seeing na malapit nang matapos yung alitan na yon. Yung iba sa pagitan niya ng inyo rito na nasa close tribe nyo lang, possible na sa loob yan ng pamilya, kamag-anak, pero yung iba possible naman na sa loob ng iyong friendships, mga kaibigan mo dito. Okay? A conflict is about to end. So, nakita tayo rito ng better energy, no? Yan ang nakikita ko rito. Pagkakaayos at finally peace and serenity. So, pag-usapan na natin kanina, no, Capricorn, yung sinasabi ko with the Wheel of Fortune right here and the very strong Judgment card energy. Something here will be repeated. And the universe will allow this na maulit. Yan, no? Hindi para, okay, masaktan ka ulit, kundi para i-challenge ang sarili mo kung nararapat mo bang ma-experience ulit yung same situation na yon. So, the universe right here, maaring isa itong parte ng kanilang test or challenge for you, Capricorn, okay? Maaring tingnan nila rito ano ba yung gagawin mo sa sitwasyon na ito. I'm seeing someone here, no, returning back into your life. Someone who avoided you, someone who abandoned you, someone who left you out in the cold in the past. Strong energy, love situation, but for others, like few of you, like posibleng tatlo, dalawa sa mga viewers dito, ang kadil ninyo ay ang inyo ritong parent. No? Maaring iniwan kayo rito ng parent ng bata pa kayo, pinaampon or iniwan rito sa kamag-anak kind of thing, no? Nagpakalayo-layo, no? Like there's an abandonment issue. Pero kung parent ninyo ang nare-resonate kayo rito, mangilan-ngilan lang kayo. Okay? Maaring tatlo lang sa mga viewers or dalawa. Pero more likely it's a love situation. It's your ex for the most of you guys, no? Titingnan rito kung, okay, ito bang situation na to, no, ay anong gagawin mo dito? Will you accept this person here returning back into your life? Will you welcome this person here with open arms as he or she returns to you or not? Okay? Spirits, ay binibigyan kayo ng warning dito. If you will allow this person here to return into your life, then the same feeling will be uh, repeated right here. The same mistake of that person will be repeated right here. The abandonment, the disappointment, pag-iwan niya sa inyo, no, lahat yon will be repeated as well. Okay? So, will you welcome this person here back into your life? Will you welcome this ex of yours back into your arms? Are you willing to feel that type of same agony before? Are you willing to suffer again? Yan. So, this is a test right here. Why? Bakit may test na ganyan, Miss Yan? Because we have here the Four of Coins energy and the World card. You are close dito sa goals mo. Meron ka ritong wish na malapit ng matupad. Yun ang nakikita ko, Capricorn. Kung ano man yan, it could be anything. But it's a new chapter here of your life that we're talking. So, is it worth it to go back into that person's arms once again? Okay? Will you forget about the closeness dito sa yung goals. Malapit ka na. You're so close here with your goals. No, ano man yan. Iba pwedeng kaperahan yan because the Four of Coins energy is something here na nakikita ko ritong may kinalaman sa inyong money at ito ay positive changes kung saan posibleng malapit nang magbago yung buhay mo, especially yung lagay ng iyong pera, no? May pag-grow dito ng salapi with the Seven of Coins energy and the World card right here. So, okay, will you allow this? Yan, no? Parang si kamatayan yung itsura nito, no? Will you allow this kamatayan right here, no? Symbolize niyan yung ex mo na iniwan kayo, inabandon na, inend ang connection ninyo, inavoid kayo, no? Will you allow that person to take away the opportunity that you are now close to your dreams? Yan. Syempre wag kayong papayag doon. Lalo na kung uulitin niya ulit yung kanyang ginawa sa inyo noon, no? And for some reason, this person right here, no, also, yan, no, kangiti siya rito, no, na magbabalik sa buhay mo at naging happy siya nung wala kayo sa buhay niya. So, there's this hidden agenda why this person here is returning into your life. And it looks like kung sino man ito Capricorn, this person here is planning to take away something from you and protect right here your properties and your money because I'm seeing this person right here before the abandonment na mangyayari this time, may tatangayin na siya. Baka magulat ka, wala na yung double door na ref na binili mo. Wala na rin ulit yung maleta gamit niya at kung ano-ano pa. No? This person right here is here because meron siyang hidden agenda but not to love you or not to stay in your life for good. Yan. So, okay, pag-isipan mabuti. So, maliban dyan, Capricorn, nakita rin ako dito, no, na meron ditong bagay na makukuha ka. Yan, no? Sa pamamagitan ng iyong sariling kakayanan. Yan. So, nakita ko dito ng energy na actually, hindi mo naman ito as in kailangan pagpaguran, pag-importan ng bongga. Kasi pwede mo naman itong makuha dahil dito sa iyong stock knowledge or dahil dito sa iyong talento, dahil dito sa iyong natural, no, na skills. Yan, no? Pwedeng ganon. Kung ano man yan, it could be something here na very, very light lang for others, no? Na parang talentado ka naman dyan, no? Or may talent ka dyan, may skills ka dyan, no? Yakang-yaka. Hindi mo na kailangan practicein kasi once na ginawa mo yan, no? Boom! Nakikita ko rito na kaya mo makuha yung bagay na yan. Alam mo yung, I'm seeing, alam mo yung sa toy crane, may kita mo yan sa mga parang playgrounds, no? Time zone yan, excuse me, sa mga malls, no? At sa ibang mga parang mga groceries, meron din yan. Kung saan may mga stuffed toys doon, no? Tapos, uhulugan mo yun ng token. Tapos, paandarin mo yun. Pwede kang kumuha ng stuffed toy doon. Excuse me, dumighay lang. Commercial. Pwede ka kumuha ng stop toy doon, no? Pero, challenging yun. No? Hindi lahat ng humahawak doon at naghuhulog ng token nakakakuha ng stuff toy. No? So, nakita ko dito, parang ganito yun. No? Dito, meron kang luck is on your side or swerte sa tabi mo, plus may skills ka pa. So, when you try to get something from that toy crane, you can be able to get a toy from that crane, no, in just first try. Yan, no? So, ganong klase yung in-example ko dito. So, ibig sabihin, nakikita ko dito that you could be eyeing here for something, you want to do something, go ahead, do that, no? And also, parang challenge mo yan sa sarili mo. Kung kaya mo ba talaga yung gawin. You know? So, you just need confidence right here because you have all the tools that you need in order to get that thing. You know? In order to purchase kung meron kang gustong bilhin or in order to get the woman or the man that you want here for your heart or for your life. Yan, no? So, you can be able to do that, no? It's, lahat ng katangian nasa iyo rito, no? Na kailangan mo para mapaibig yung tao niya kung ito ay about love life. Okay? Lahat ng katangian ay meron dito para mapakuha mo rito or mapasayo rito yung bagay niya kung ayan ay material or um, worldly gains or worldly needs. Yan. Okay? So, yun nakita ko there. So, maliban dyan, Capricorn, nakita rin ako rito ng energy na meron kayo rito na parang manliligaw na hindi ninyo ma-imagine na ganito ang laman ng kanyang isipan. Yan, no. Nakikita ko rito that this person right here, no, is already fantasizing about you. And he or she do not mind kung meron ng ibang nanliligaw sa'yo or wala. Basta he or she is focusing right here in manifesting you as his or her future partner. So, kung sino man ito, Capricorn, lumalabas rito na sa kanyang mga pagpapantasya sa'yo, wala siyang pakialam sa ibang tao, kundi ang iniisip niya lang dito ay kayong dalawa at ang mundong pwede ninyong buuhin. Uulitin ko lang, hindi po siya rito nababaliw at kahit dalhin niyo siya sa psychologist or psychiatrist, ang magiging outcome ng kanyang test or resulta ng kanyang test ay normal. It's just that this person here is so in love with you to the point na parang kayo to na hindi nyo yan namamalayan, lalo na kung meron pa ritong options, no? Kayo when it comes to love, baka meron pa kayong ibang suitors or meron pa kayong ibang admirers right here, no? Wala tayong gender, LGBTQs, no? Babae, lalaki, lahat welcome, no? So, nakita ko dito that this person here, one of your suitors, one of the mangingibigs ninyo, one of your admirers dito, no? Already think, no? about a future here with you guys. So, no matter what circumstances ay meron ngayon, kung meron mang competition right here, no, to win your heart, it's okay, hindi siya masyadong pressure. Hindi dahil sobrang kampante siya dito, kundi siya ito, mga babes, no, na talagang feel na feel niya rito, no, yung presence ninyo. At ang importante lang, no, is you take this person's breath away, yun yung ganong energy. Ibig sabihin, this person right here is head over heels sa inyo and yan yung bagay na hindi ninyo alam. So, you do not really know the power of love. If this person here starts to take actions, mapapansin mo siya dahil sa bit-bit-bit-bit niya ritong high frequency of emotions and passion for you. So kahit na ilan pa yung maging mangingibig mo dito, basta gumawa na to ng action, iba kasi hindi pa nagsisimula magpaandar sa'yo eh. Pag gumawa na yun ng action, mapapansin mo siya. Okay? Na parang energy na when this person here walks inside the room and you are there and there's other competitors also there, you will definitely notice this person here. Mapapansin at mapapansin mo siya. Okay? Because of his or her aura. Yan. So, yan mga babes na last but not the least, message rin pala pahabol dito guys, no, kung meron kayo rito na binabalak na dagdag ipon diyan, no? Puwedeng side hustle na may nakikita kayo ngayon sa online or inalok sa inyo ng isang kakilala or kaibigan, go ahead. Puwede mo daw gawin 'yun kasi yung iba pinag-iisipan niyo pa dito, eh, worth it ba 'to or kaya 'to ng time ko? Kasi nagtatrabaho din ako, eh. Yun, parang may gano'n kayong iniisip, no? So, go ahead. Puwede niyo raw itong i-give na try. Puwede kayong mag-try dito, no? At nakikita ko dito eventually, you will engage into this, no? At possible na baka gawin mo na ito ng mas madalas, no? Because you will see a positive outcome, no? From this. So, yan, no? Nakita ko na magiging worth it ang pag-invest ninyo ng time sa bagay na yan. And it's related here with money, pentacles, coins. Yan. Thank you so much, Capricorn. Muli ako po si Yan. Sarang Hiya, Love and Light. Annyeong!